Hello, my dear students. In our today's lesson, we are going to talk about spontaneous and non-spontaneous processes. So let's get started. Our objectives for today are to define a spontaneous process and the thermodynamics, and explain if spontaneity of a reaction indicates the speed of reaction or not. Firstly, thermodynamically favored process or spontaneous process is defined as a process that occurs without outside or external interference, while thermodynamics is the study of energy and its interconversions. Thermodynamics provides the ability to predict if a process will occur under specified conditions spontaneously or non spontaneously. For example, as shown here, rust spontaneously form when iron comes into contact with oxygen, while water non-spontaneously decompose into hydrogen and oxygen. Generally speaking, the processes have a natural tendency to occur in only one direction under a given set of conditions. A process that is spontaneous is the one that occurs naturally in one direction under a particular set of conditions, and it's non-spontaneous in the reverse direction. For example, the formation of rust on iron is exothermic and a spontaneous reaction. The reverse reaction is endothermic and non-spontaneous. However, not all exothermic processes are a spontaneous reaction, and not all endothermic processes are non-spontaneous. For example, ice melting at room temperature is a spontaneous, however, it's an endothermic process. You shouldn't be confused between thermodynamics and kinetics. In thermodynamics, we study the spontaneity of the reaction, the direction in which and extent to which a chemical reaction proceeds. In kinetics, we study the speed of the reaction, how fast or slow the reaction takes place. A thermodynamically favored reaction or the spontaneous reaction may be endothermic or exothermic, as I explained before, or fast or slow. What I'm trying to say is there is no relationship between the spontaneity of the reaction and its speed. For instance, a spontaneous change may be so rapid that is essentially instantaneous, or so slow that is it cannot be observed over any particular period of time, because spontaneity, as I mentioned before, is not related to kinetics or reaction rate. The following table summarizes some exothermic reactions and the others are endothermic reactions. However, both are spontaneous or thermodynamically favored. The examples for exothermic reactions are neutralization of a strong acid with a strong base, rusting of iron, condensation, and solidification. And the examples for endothermic reactions are the solution of solid ammonium nitrate, evaporation, and melting. That was the end of our session. Thank you for listening.